Matt's garage here. So I'm actually just preparing to do some snow plowing. My friend who I have plowed for once before on the channel, but there wasn't near as much snow that time. He's snowed in. He's the one that's got the restoration body shop, and he uses a 54 GMC tow truck to plow his snow with normally. And currently it's not starting for him. He's not sure what the issue is. He's bogged down with work and doesn't have time to diagnose that. So I told him I'd come in with my plow car and clear it out for him. It's already feeling pretty cold out here, so I'm just going to hustle this into the trunk and I'll give you a bird's eye view of the whole. Now I just dropped that all in there safely. Well, here we are. It's the next day and I'm at my buddy's place here. You can see somebody got stuck there. Quite a mess here, and it's quite mild out today. So I'm going to throw the traction rings on here right away because I'm going to need them. This snow is slick and it doesn't look like it's that deep, but it's all packed in there. So when I get going, it's going to be pretty rough going. You can see I haven't used these yet since I last went mudding with them. Okay, we're all hooked up here. We got our rings on, so we're gonna see how this goes. It feels really slippery, guys, like even with the rings on. I actually aired up my tires a little, thinking it wouldn't be that slippery, and that makes my rings bite a little less. So you never know, I might have to go ahead and let some air out. We'll see how it goes here. just cleared that parking area out nicely there. Check this out, guys. 56 Chevy Bel Air. You always see the 57s and the 55s, but rarely do you see a 56, and this one has some cool original pinstriping on it. I think the 56s are actually my favorite, just because they're a little less common. Didn't really want to push the snow this way, but I will. I've done the bottom half of this hill. The top half, as you can see, is quite steep, so I gotta do it coming down, but I'm gonna finish the driveway first. I'm nearly done, guys, and it's getting on to darkness, and I wanted to show some of the cool cars that are around here before it got totally dark. So we have a 57 Caddy limo. This is a 61 Pontiac Laurentian, I believe. And this is a 57 Oldsmobile. Little bit of a project car. Got cool gauges. This one's new for me. I haven't seen this one around before. 59 Plymouth. I actually can't believe my friend didn't tell me he had this sitting here, because he knows I love these cars. Looks like a two-door sedan, which would be my personal favorite variant too. Wow. Belvedere. I may have to talk to him on this car, guys. I'm not sure whose car it is. He stores cars for friends here all the time, so it may not be available. Golly, this car's in nice shape. A little bit of a fender bender there. Maybe that's why it was taken off the road. What seems very minor to us as restorers now, it's often it was a deal breaker back in the day when these cars were newer. So I did ask about the Plymouth, and it is actually probably for sale, but I think I'm going to pass. It's beautiful, but I really love my Buick and I have to focus on it. Got her all done, guys. Just gonna pull the blade off and the rings off and hit the highway home. So thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and have yourself a great day.